Hi, I'm Mrs. Waterman. I am a teacher consultant and an academic support teacher. I have been teaching for 28, well, this will be my 28th year teaching. This will be my 22nd year teaching at Saline Middle School, and prior to teaching at the middle school here in Saline, I taught 6 years in Wayne Westland schools. While I was in Wayne Westland, I taught 6th grade, 5th grade, and 4th grade elementary, and then I moved on to the middle school and I taught 3 years in the resource room setting teaching science and social studies. I went to Eastern Michigan University and received my undergraduate degree to teach the hearing impaired, and then I went on to the University of Michigan Dearborn and received my master's to teach individuals with learning disabilities. I am married to John Waterman. We will be married for 23 years this December. We have a wonderful son, Connor Waterman, who's now a freshman at Wittenberg University in Springfield, Ohio. We have a golden doodle, Snowball, and a black cat, Spooky. As a family, I would say our favorite hobby of all is bike riding. We ride whenever we get a chance. We just love riding together as a family. In addition to bike riding, we also enjoy traveling. We love to travel. Usually we travel in August, and our favorite place to travel to is Ireland. Ireland is, I would say, our favorite place of all. I look forward to meeting all of you. I can't wait for the school year to start. I hope all of you enjoy the rest of your summer. All right, take care.